The angles of a triangle are in AP, the least being half the greatest. Find the angles. So let's say if I make a triangle first, this could be any triangle, and I name this triangle as ABC. Now further it is given that the angles are in AP, so we can take the angles. We know that three numbers in AP can be written as A plus D, and A plus 2D. So we can write these angles. Let's say the first being A, the second as A plus D, and the third angle, say C in this case, as A plus 2 times D. Now we have a relation that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So by using this property, we can write over here that is angle A plus angle B plus the third angle, which is C, has to be 180 degree. Now replacing A with A, B as A plus D, and C, which is the third term, that is A plus 2 times D equals 180 degree. Now simplifying it further, we can say that this is 3 times A plus 3 times D equals 180 degree. Simplifying it further, we can say A plus D equals, this is 60 degree. So we got one relation between A and D. Now let's obtain the other relation. It's given in the question, that is the least being half the greatest. So least clearly is A over here. The least is A. So the least is A here, and this is half the greatest. So this is half the greatest is what? A plus D, A plus 2D, sorry. Now we can transpose 2 to the other side. So this is 2 times A is equal to A plus 2D. Further transposing A to the left hand side, we get A is equal to, so 2A minus A is A is equal to 2D. Now this is the second relation we obtained between A and D. Now we can substitute over here, substituting A in this second equation, we can say that replacing this A, right? Replacing this A with 2D, we can say that this is 2D plus D equals 60 degree. This is 3 times D equals 60 degree, and therefore D is equal to how much? 60 divided by 2, that is 20. So once we have obtained the value of D in this case, now we can obtain A from here. Replacing D with 20, A comes out to be 60 minus 20, that is 40. So we got the value of 40 as well. A as 40. So once we have obtained the value of A and D, next is to get the values of these angles. Now we can replace the value of A and D over here to get the values of these angles. So we have the first angle as A, and this is A is how much? 40. So we can say that this angle is 40 degree. This angle will be 40 degree. Similarly, the second angle is A plus D, and A is 40 and D is 20. So therefore this angle will be how much? 60 degree. Finally, the third angle, that is C, and C is how much? This is C is A plus 2 times D. 2 plus 2 times D is how much? 40. 40 plus 40, that is 80. So the third angle is 80 degree. So this way we got the three angles of this triangle.